Alright guys, what do you think? Should I do it? I didn't realize that my father-in-law uses reel mowers, and he just so happens to have two of them. But this one is a little rough. Check her out. So, there she is. A little old, a little rusty. Lots of oil and nastiness. Muffler's all blown out. Carburetor has a big old crack at the base. But other than that, she just needs a little love. So should I do it? You guys want a video? I'll take this sucker home and we'll go ahead and restore it. So let me know what you think and in the comments below. Alright guys, so as some of you know, I just moved from California to Idaho. It's been a couple months now, but I'm down here on my last trip back up with all of my stuff. And I stopped by to visit the grandparents, have my kids visit their grandparents, and I found this thing in my father-in-law's backyard. It's a Montgomery Ward reel mower with a Briggs & Stratton 2 horsepower motor. Honestly, don't know a whole lot about these things, but I would love to take this thing home and strip this thing down. I'm going to take it as far apart as I can, replace as many parts as I can, recondition some, and put it all back together with a fresh paint job. If you guys want to stick along for this process, please like and follow my page and keep an eye out for future videos. I think this is going to be a fun one. I'm going to learn a lot and be reel mower experts by the end of it. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the clip. I'm just going to show you around a bit more.